This series of videos documents our 10-day bikepacking trip on Vancouver Island from Victoria to Cape Scott. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing and liking the video as it helps other folks with similar interests see this content.
Whew, pretty good start to the day. It's great to see the sun out. Highway's been nice for a while, but I can't wait to get back on some forestry roads. We are back on the old dusty trail. Climb time.
They're lucky loggers.
Swing time. Really working for it. Had to do a little hike-a-bike, but hoping the roads will clear up soon. One last steep climb for the day, hopefully. We arrived in Port Alice last night and found a campground just in the middle of the city. Really excited about being back in the ocean. It smells amazing and just beautiful, amazing views. The inlet here is just so calm this morning. It looks like it's going to turn out to be a great day for some cycling.
Road's closed.
Tis a mighty big sinkhole. Sinkhole in the bridge. Closed to four-wheel traffic, not two-wheel traffic. Steep, very steep. Just making the descent into Hillberg. I'm gonna try to warm up. It's been raining for the last little bit up in the mountains, but otherwise, really solid day. Only about 20k out of Cape Scott. Welcome to Hillberg.
Suburb?
Just woke up at our campsite in Hillberg. We camped next to the Scarlet Abyss, which is the pub in town. Looks like the sun's going to try to poke through today. Hopefully not too much rain. We got just about 20 kilometers to Cape Scott, so should hopefully be there just over an hour a bit. Pack up, drive our stuff, and hit the road.
The hatchery. Yeah, the hatchery.
Finally made it to Cape Scott Provincial Park. Gonna head down to the trailhead and do some camping for a few nights.